Tuck one end of the sari in the right side waist. Bring the sari over the waist a full circle and tuck the fabric throughout till you reach the right waist. Take the free-flowing end and tuck a portion of it temporarily on the left waist and bring the pallu over towards the front. Make pleats and secure it on the left shoulder. Arrange the pleats on the front and secure another pin to the upper lining of the blouse. Now fix a pin on the left waist with the border neatly arranged. Adjust the pleats in the front from the portion tucked temporarily. And tuck it mid-waist and secure it with a pin. Adjust the pleats behind to give a neat look and use pins wherever necessary. Tuck one end of the sari in the right side waist. Bring the sari over the waist a full circle and tuck the fabric throughout till you reach the right waist. Take the free-flowing end and tuck a portion of it temporarily on the left waist and bring the pallu over towards the front. Make pleats and secure it on the left shoulder. Arrange the pleats thinner on the front to show the borders prominently and secure another pin to the upper lining of the blouse. Fix the fabric tightly from the right side and secure pins along. Now adjust the pleats in the front. From the portion tucked temporarily and tuck it mid-waist and secure it with a pin.
Let's do the bridal hairstyle. Now with this hairstyle, we're going to follow the center partition. Little crown at the back. Take the hair, smoothen it off. Let the front hair be as it is. We already combed the back combed the front hair. So now it is all set. We only going to get the puff now. So smoothen all the front hair. Create a puff. Use a rubber band. Put a ponytail and bobby pin it. Crisscross way. Slide it. We're going to attach methi chutti. Put it in the bobby clips. Use a tail comb to make the hair. Hold the hair in your comb, spray it, set it. Wherever you feel that it's going deep inside, take it up and get the right shape. Here is our front hair. Leaving this particular hair, we will back comb and pin it up. Same with the bobby clips. Make a ponytail. We're using a stuffing. It's called a bun, roller bun. To create a bun here, put it inside and roll it. And then cover up with all the hair. Put a U-pins to hold the bun in place. Make sure we put the U-pins on all four sides. Tilt little down. Now take the braids, ready braids, and put it on the top of your bun and attach it with the bobby pins. As this is heavier, try to put as much as bobby pins you can so that it will hold in place. Some U-pins to hold the bun. Now we rolling the flowers onto her bun. And put the bobby pins. So that slightly round shape will come, which we have to maintain it. Same onto this side. We'll roll the flowers. We'll try to maintain the sequins and the dollars here so that dollars will be seen. And the final roll up here. Again bobby pins. Here is our bride ready. Let's curl one side, this section near the ear, to give a dramatic look. Here is the bride ready. Now we're gonna do the bridal South Indian hairstyle. Let's do the bridal South Indian bridal hairstyle. Put methi chutti, then high bun, high puff here and a bun here, along with the long braid here, exactly like the typical how South Indians do. So first we'll do the center partition, side partition and whole back. Today we're going to do it with the center partition. As before, leave the front hair and both the side front hair to be kept aside. Crown hair. Now we want to introduce a puff here. Keep taking all the sections and keeping it in the front. You will have to come till this area. Create a line, Start taking sections and back combing. Again take a section, small sections, and comb it back. Keep taking sections, keep combing back. Now the last section, I think we reached up to the, now they can see from front also. Spray helps to hold this both sides. Now it's time for the sides. Again sides we will take it till here. Section it, back comb. Now spray. Smoothen the upper area which are seam. Same thing we have to do it onto the right side. Again sections. Now smoothen it out all. We can leave one curl here, some section to finally curl. Smoothen the hair, take the sides, create a puff. Take a rubber band, put it. And here it's the bun. Take a bobby pins and the bobby pins to be put in a crisscross way. Front can be tucked in at the same area. Now again from the front, match it with your backside puff. Tuck in with the bobby pin. Loosen it onto the side. I'm just pressing it, hold it up. And put a tight ponytail without disturbing the front hair. Put a plaits. Put a plaits till the end. Rubber band, open up one side. Now once done, roll it up and put a U-pins. Now we are attaching the hair braided supplement to make a big bun. Take a bobby clips. The combination of an U-clips and bobby pins will hold it well. Now it's time to roll. Put all this inside this bun. The more number of U-clips, the better the hold. From all four sides has to be covered with the U-clips and the bobby pins. Here we have a jewelry to attach